In front of me is Sharp Aquos R2, and let me show you how to turn on or off Dialpad tones on the following device. So at first let's just check it out. As you can hear, now it is active, but once you want to switch it off, you need to open the settings, then find and select sound, go to advanced, and here you will notice Dialpad tones smoothly unmarked, and from now on it will be muted. Obviously you can activate it the same way, just the opposite. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.